Hi there, good morning. From the heart of a professor, this is your professor, Herbert B. Rosana. I would like to take this opportunity to extend my greetings to the doctoral and master's graduate of the Bicol University Graduate School. Today, we experience a plentiful harvest, and as your former dean, I would like to congratulate you for all the efforts that you have done and for making Bicol University proud of you. And today we witness a large number of graduates. And this is one of the most challenging part, that as we were implementing the new guidelines and the new standards for graduate education in Bicol University, we encounter a lot of difficulties, but these difficulties are not really difficult, but they are things that they are surmountable, and we can even move beyond what is expected from us. And as we encourage you to finish your thesis, to come up with a quality papers and scientific papers, scholarly papers, and you are now reaping the fruits of your effort. And I know I empathize with you, and I know how it feels to be able to wear our academic garb, especially the one that you are wearing now. And I hope that you will always be proud of that, and not only proud of that, but that you would always be grateful to your alma mater, to our dear Bicol University, to make Bicol University proud. And as I would like to say, go ye and multiply and fill the earth. So when I say multiply, it doesn't mean anything but that intellectual multiplication, that our theses, our dissertations are just the beginning. And I hope that those theses and dissertation will become your advocacy and will continue to propel your effort into doing research and exploring knowledge and how to apply this knowledge in order to help improve our society, so that we will be able to achieve the goals of the developmental goals of the United Nations, and also the developmental goals of the Philippines, especially the Ambition 2040. And keep Bicol University proud, and always remember to be grateful to God, our Almighty Father. Remember your families, take care of our families, and take care of our country. And because this is the only true service to the Almighty when we serve humanity.